In this video, I'll show you how to write good prompts for AI. More specifically, I'll show you exactly how to write great prompts for AI art. Creating images with AI can be quick and rewarding, or brutally frustrating. It all depends on the prompt. To help demonstrate, I'm going to use my favorite AI art tool, ArtSpace AI. You can learn more about ArtSpace by following my affiliate link in the description of this video. Also, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to AI copywriting tools if you want to see more videos like this in your YouTube feed. The reason I'm using ArtSpace is it has this amazing prompt formula tool built right into the dashboard. I should note that I believe you need to be on the ArtSpace Pro or Unlimited tier to access this tool, because I think it's only available in canvas mode. Look at this complex, detailed prompt I created just by typing in a dancing yeti and then clicking the tool's Inspire button. While it's generating, if you want to learn more about ArtSpace, check out their lifetime deal still available. This is a pretty, hilarious image, but it actually adheres quite well to this rather silly prompt that we generated. And when you're in ArtSpace canvas mode, the Formulas tool is just up here. When we click on this, you can put in the subject that you want, and then you can go through all of these styles and select them yourself. Or you can use Inspire. So if I click Inspire again, it'll change all of these into something completely different. You can apply it again and make a totally different version of this, using the same topic, which is a dancing yeti, and using the same ArtSpace image generation model. Wow, that is impressive and very unique. Let's open the formulas back up again, and this time I'll hit Clear All, and we can go through and select them ourselves. Of course, I still want a dancing yeti, because what else would you use AI to create a picture of? And in all these drop-down menus under Styles, we could try something like Medieval Art and Vaporwave. Under Artist Inspiration, we'll go with Da Vinci and Escher. For Format, Claymation and Comic Book Art. Boosters, we'll say 4K and extremely detailed, brash and awestruck vibes, and we'll go with a full shot. So now the full prompt that we have is a dancing yeti in the style of Medieval Art and Vaporwave by Leonardo da Vinci and M.C. Escher, Claymation and Comic Book Art, 4K and extremely detailed, awestruck and brash, full shot. Now ArtSpace is a dedicated image generator. If you're using a more versatile tool, you might want to be a bit more specific with this and say, generate an image of a dancing yeti. And for example, instead of just saying awestruck and brash, you might say awestruck and brash vibes. But this type of prompt would work very well in pretty much any dedicated image generation tool. So let's apply this and see how it looks by comparison to the other two. Wow, this is quite amazing. I haven't used this formula generator in a while, but it's very good. And now, just as a frame of reference, let's take a look at what will happen if we remove everything except for a dancing yeti and generate another image. Let's see what it does by default with just the subject. That's definitely a good image, but of course, if you wanted something like one of these other styles, then this would not be very useful by comparison. Also, this is much more likely to be similar to what other people would generate with similar prompts. The more complex your prompt is, the more likely it'll create something different than what other people have created. Now, you can definitely overdo it with prompt complexity, but I find that the ArtSpace Formulas tool does an excellent job of giving just enough for the AI to work with, and not overdoing it. That'll do it for this tutorial on how to write good prompts for AI art and photo and image generation. Please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. And remember, you can learn more about ArtSpace including accessing their lifetime deal by following my affiliate link in the description. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about this, or if you know any special tricks that work really well when it comes to writing prompts for AI art. Take care, and I'll talk to you again soon.